Well guys, the East Coast is getting pounded. You see I'm coming home from work here in the Volkswagen. Nothing that the Volkswagen can't handle though. Visibility is very low. Everybody's out here working. Got all kinds of shit going on. Well, enjoying the mess. It's not easy to drive a stick and a video camera at the same time. So, got the road crews out here. Hey road crew, clear the pass. Got big old trucks. Oop, I want this to clog up. I want you guys to be able to see. I don't understand, people still coming out. People gotta go places. See if the car dealership's lit up down here. Get an idea how hard it really is snowing. There it is. Ooh, the car's all covered. Not too bad though. Still managing 40 miles an hour. I'm risking my life for you guys. You guys should appreciate this. Here's a cop hiding over there. Well, we're at a slow crawl here. We got a plow operation going on. I don't know if you guys can catch that or what, but this sucks. Maybe Road King can pick me up tomorrow. The 4x4 Tacoma. Pretty cool sight there. My tax dollars at work. Oh yeah. Nice unclean road. I love it. Love living out in the middle of nowhere. What the hell? Can't catch a break. Almost home. It's taking me about an hour. It takes me about 20 minutes. But it's the shit you gotta put up with. Hope you enjoyed my video. So guys, my overall experience in the Volkswagen was pretty good. Handles pretty good in the snow. It's well balanced. It's got stability control. I'm home now. Home sweet home. So you guys don't have to worry about me now. I think I have a parking spot there. Good to go. I'm gonna back it in and call it a night.